let's see how to adjust line spacing in your Wix website. Adjusting line spacing in Wix helps improve readability and enhance the overall design of your text. In this tutorial, we'll go through a simple step-by-step process to modify line spacing in your Wix. First, you need to open your Wix account on your browser, and once you're in, go to the Wix editor and access the page where you want to adjust line spacing. Click on the text box that contains the text you want to modify. Right-click, click Edit Text. In the Text Settings toolbar, click on the Line Spacing option. Next, use the slider or input field to increase or decrease the spacing between lines. Adjust it to your preference. Once done, click outside the text box to apply the changes. And that's it. That's how you adjust line spacing in Wix. See you soon.